Yo AutoAce fam! Today I took the Honda Click 125i out on a ride to Tanay, Rizal, one of the favorite spots for rider here in the Philippines. But the big question is the Click 125i really sulit for long rides? Or pang city use lang ba? Route: Manila to Tanay via Marcos Highway and the Sierra Madre Twisties. Distance: around 60 to 70 km one way. Bike: Honda Click 125i. Stock setup, no major mods. Engine: 125cc fuel injected, 8.2 HP. Smooth and consistent at 60 to 80. Uphill climbs: it can handle Tanay's inclines, but don't expect aggressive overtakes. Power is enough, not thrilling. Fuel economy: 50 kilometers per liter. I spent less than 200 on gas for the whole trip. Seat: flat and wide, comfortable for 1 to 2 hours, but for longer rides, you may want a seat foam upgrade. Riding position: upright and relaxed, with a flat floorboard that gives more legroom. Suspension: soft and manageable for city bumps, but on Tanay's rough patches, you'll feel it a bit. Underseat compartment: fits a full-face helmet or essentials, perfect for riders without a top box. Fuel tank: 5.5 liters, enough for long rides without frequent gas stops. USB charging: USB charging is recommended if you use Waze or Spotify during rides. Brakes: front disc and rear drum, okay for city, but downhill in Tanay, you'll need to brake earlier. Handling: lightweight and easy to maneuver through twisty mountain roads. Not as stable as bigger scooter at high speeds, but very forgiving for beginners. So, is the Honda Click 125i sulit for long rides like Tanay? Yes, if you want a fuel-efficient, budget-friendly, and beginner-friendly scooter that can handle weekend rides at a relaxed pace. But if you want faster overtakes, better suspension or ABS, you'll be happier upgrading to a Click 160, PCX 160, or Aerox 155. For casual long rides, the Click 125i can do the job. Sulit pa rin sa presyo. Would you take a Click 125i on a Tanay ride, AutoAce fam? Comment below. If you enjoyed this ride review, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more real-world scooter tests. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.